Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about how to use ChatGPT for writing code in Arduino. So first you go to open that ChatGPT. So just you go to this website chat.openai.com/chat, and then you can see this kind of window. Okay, so here you can provide the question, right? So first I'm going to provide that simple program. So I'm going to type, hi, please provide Arduino code for blink the LED. Okay, so here I'm going to type the basic code. Okay, so for example, then when we are going to learn Arduino, right? So we will start with the blinking of LED, right? So and also I'm asking code for that blinking LED and ChatGPT. So here you have to check that, right? It provide that code for that. So I'm going to copy this code. Okay, and then go to Arduino IDE, right? So here I'm going to paste that code here, right? So next I'm going to debug that code, right? Whether it having any error or not, right? So here I'm going to verify the code. Okay, so here you can see that, so there is no error in the code, right? So for simple uh, LED blinking, so it will provide the code. So it is does not have any error, right? You can use this code for deploy that code in the Arduino, and then you can blink the LED, right? So here you can see that the LED pin is taken as default 13, right? So already we know that in Arduino, right? Arduino, the 13 pin is connected with the LED. Okay, so same way I'm going to ask another question. That means, for example, you are going to control speed of the DC motor. Okay, so for that you have to write the code for Arduino, right? So for example, I'm going to ask the same question. So hi, please provide Arduino code for speed control of DC motor using PID controller. Okay, so here we are going to use PID controller for control the speed of the DC motor with Arduino. Okay, so I'm going to type here, and then here you can see that, so it will provide some code. So here you can see here, right? So it providing some code. Okay, so here they initialize the KPKED. Okay, and set point is initialized at to 200, right? So this detail you can change. Okay, as per your requirement, right? Based upon the motor rating, so it will generating the code for speed control of DC motor. Okay, so next you have to check this code, right? Just you have to copy this code and paste it in Arduino IDE, and then you have to check the code whether it is correct or not. Okay, so if it is after verification it is correct, then we can use this code directly to uh, deploy in the Arduino, and then we can make the setup to control that speed of the DC motor. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this code, right? And then I'm going to paste it in Arduino IDE. So here I'm going to compile, so verify the code whether. So here you can see that it have library, right? So here library is initialized here, right? Once again I'm going to compile again. So it having some library, so that's why we are getting some error, right? So I'm going to ask the ChatGPT for generating the code without library. Please provide code without library. Okay, without library. Okay, so here I'm asking the code without library, okay, for that speed control of DC motor. So here it's generating some code, right? So the second code, right, this code having some library PID library, okay, so that's why we are getting this error. That means so library missing error, right? So we need the code without library, okay. So now we can check the code, right? So it's generating the code without including any library, okay. So after completion of this code generation, you have to check the code whether it is having error or not, okay. So here you can see that they are calculating error and multiplied with kpk and kd, okay. So here only they apply that PID control concept. So now I am going to copy this code and then paste here, and then I'm going to check the verify the code, right? Yeah, now there is no error in this code, right? Because now that ChatGPT is not include any library for controlling a speed of DC motor by using PID controller, okay. So this is a code for a PID controller speed control of DC motor, okay. So this kind of question you can raise in the ChatGPT and then you will get the exact code of Arduino, okay. So your question is very clear, right? Then you will get the exact result from the ChatGPT for writing Arduino code, okay. So you can use ChatGPT for writing code effectively for your projects, okay. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.